Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a really fun fingerstyle arrangement of Englishman in New York by Sting. Really hope that you enjoy the lesson. If you do, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. And if you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab, they are available down below. You can get the tab for this song or any other song that I previously taught for 25% off when you join my newsletter. And also when you join the newsletter, you get early access to all of my lessons and you can try out any of my fingerpicking courses completely for free. So be sure to take advantage of that and sign up below. All right, so here we go. So the intro goes like that, and much of the song is just those chords: E minor, A, B minor, or B minor 7. All right, so that's pretty much the whole song other than the bridge just kind of going round. But let's really break it down. So hold down the E minor chord. I'm just holding down the 2nd fret on the 4th string. I'm playing the bass and then strings 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 1 and 2 and. Okay, and then you go into an A chord. And it's the same thing, but just play the 5th string in the bass, of course. So 3 and 4 and. So that. Okay, and then I play a B minor 7, and I just keep that going. 1 and 2 and 3 and for the 4 and we go back to A. So A, and we play 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, up to speed. Okay, then E minor, A, and for the B minor, I'm just going 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So we end on the 3, the count of 3 in the bass. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And that's your intro. So here it is once more. So that then goes straight into the verse, and as I say, it's the same chord, but you've got I'm an Englishman in New York. Okay, so let's break that down. But don't drink coffee, I'll take tea, my dear. So that's on an E minor, kind of E minor 7. So I just hold down an E minor chord and I play the 6th string, followed by the 4th, the 3rd, and then the 2nd. And then I'll hammer the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So like 1 and a 2 E. Okay, then it's open top string. Then the A chord comes along, so just play the 5th string open. And then it's 2nd fret on the 2nd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 3rd string, and then 4th fret on the 4th string. So that's like. Then it's B minor, so play the bass note, 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then 2nd fret on the 2nd string twice. So that altogether is like. Okay, then on the count of 4, the A chord comes along, and I just play the 5th string, and then back to E minor. So. Okay, and then we do the E minor, just the same as the last time. I'll have my toes done on one side, that's that bit. And then I just go ba da, so 3, 4, 2nd fret on the 5th string for the B minor, and then A, open A. Okay, so you put those two together, it's basically the same thing. 3, 4, 1. I'll have my toes done on one side. 3, And then it's the E minor to A again, same as before. But then you got, okay, so the E minor, as I say, same as before. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. Okay, so the B minor, we play the bass, and then again it's the second fret on the second string, and then play it again and pull off the open, and then back on. So, like that. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. Bass, okay, and then it's to the A. So that's open fifth string, open second string, and then second fret on the second string. And that goes back to E minor 7. So hold down a full E minor 7 like this, and we've got. So there, I'm just playing the second string, third string, and sixth string, and then that second string, third fret, twice more. So like Englishman, and then it's to our A chord. So I start with the open second string, and you can get the third string in there and the fifth string. Play those together and quickly hammer the second string, second string, second fret, like that. So like. Then third string, second fret, and then open second string. So that's like. Okay, so from that last E minor, okay, good, and then that goes to a B minor, and I just kind of finger pick it, arpeggiate the chord like that. So play the bass note of a B minor, and then if you want to play exactly the same as me, I'm playing strings 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, bass. So like 1 and a 2E and a 3, and then open A. So far for the verse we have played continuing, we've then got and then again, and then that goes into the chorus. So it's the E minor, exactly the same as before. See me walking down Fifth Ave, and then second fret on the second string twice, and then open fifth string for the A, and then E minor again. So there's the E minor, the same. Walking cane here at my, and then instead of playing this one first, play it together with the bass for your B minor. Like that. Then that descending bass, B, A. Okay, so it's pretty much very similar to the other ones that we've previously done, but then it goes up a little bit. It goes. So that's the take it everywhere I go, that bit. So the E minor, hold down an E minor, but you're going to want to include the third fret on the top string. So play the sixth string, then the fourth, then the third, and then I'll probably play strings 2 and 3 together, and then the top string. So like, and then up to the fifth fret on the top, and we're going to A, so bar the A chord. Okay, so there, with that held down, and I'll play strings 1 and 2, followed by the bass, and then third fret on the top string, second fret, fifth fret on the second string, okay, and then to a B minor chord and play the top 2 strings. So it's like. Okay, and then I just play the bass. 1, 2, 3. So. And then just like before. Okay, so that's, remember, it's the A, open second and fifth string, second fret on the second string, and then G, E minor. Englishman in New York. Exactly the same as before. And that is your verse. So let me play it through for you one more time. Walking down Fifth Avenue. And then it's the chorus. Whoa. So I hope that you're enjoying learning how to play this arrangement. If you are, let me know down in the comments. Take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss any regular fingerstyle guitar lessons. So to get into the chorus, we've got down our B minor, and then it's an A. So what I'm doing though is I'm borrowing the top 3 strings on the 2nd fret and just play that with the bass note. Whoa. And that goes to your E minor 7. Okay, like that. So hold your E minor 7 down and then play strings, 2, 3, and 6. Whoa. And then I'll play strings 4, 3, 2, and then that 3rd fret, 2nd string twice more. Like that. Then bass of an A chord. And then I'll pull off 2 to open on the 2nd string. Whoa, I'm an alien. And then bass. Okay. And then B minor. So for this B minor, start like a B sus 2 or B9, B minor 9, whatever way you want to think of it. But it's the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, 4th fret on the 3rd string, and the bass note. Okay, and play those strings 2, 3, and 5. Then 2, and then open top, then bass, and then open top again. So like. And then go up to a regular B minor, so that 2nd fret goes to the 3rd fret, and play strings 2 and 3, then bass, and then pull off 2 open on the 2nd string. So that's like. Bit tricky. But then we've got. Okay, so it's exactly the same as in the verse. I'm an Englishman in New York. So that's open 2nd and 5th string, then 2nd fret on the 2nd string, up to E minor 7. Okay, strings 2, 3, and 6, then 2, then bass, and then 2 again. So it's exactly the same as in the verse, but the bass is just on the beats here. That's the only difference. Okay, and then A. So we do that hammer on just like before, but strings 2, 3, and 5. Hammer in that 2nd fret on the 2nd string. Then the 3rd string, bass, and then open 2nd string. So like. And that just links straight onto your B minor. and I arpeggiate it in exactly the same way as I do in the verse. So we've played for the chorus. And then it just goes round again. And then there's a bridge. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to be teaching the bridge over on my website. So if you want to continue learning how to play the song for free, just follow the link through in the description. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, where we've got hundreds more lessons all on fingerpicking and a whole bunch of courses you can take if you want to invest in your fingerpicking, fingerstyle even more. And remember, you can try out any of the courses completely for free when you join the newsletter. So sign up below. Thanks a lot. I'll see you again.